no longer being allowed to take in new patients excuse me, after staff were found to have mistreated a resident. The Health Ministry says there were significant lapses in standards of care, adding that patients' dignity must be upheld at all times. The ministry was alerted by Channel News Asia, which received this video of the abuse. It was recorded using a hidden camera at the patient's bedside. The victim, an elderly woman, is shown sitting next to the bed naked with the ceiling fan on at full blast. After a while, staff members lift the patient and throw her onto the bed. Well, one of them then slaps her after she moans in pain. The old woman had been a resident at the home for 4 years, and the home says it has disciplined those involved in the incident, and has imposed checks by senior staff. The woman's son, who did not want to be identified, gives his reaction.
当然觉得不高兴啊，因为我们放在那边给专业护士照顾嘛，那结果是这样子，当然是很失望啊。毕竟那边还有其他老人嘛，对不对？我们讲出来是为了改善那边环境，发现是我们在传输出去别的老人院了。